Palmquist. I'm one of the registered dietitians here at Mahaska Health, and today I'm going to be showing you a bacon, spinach, and egg breakfast wrap. So first we're going to pour our egg, and I just have one egg here, into our skillet. And we'll kind of go along the edge to make sure that it doesn't stick. That'll fry up nice. Now this recipe does call for bacon, but if you wanted to make it a little bit more heart healthy, you can always substitute out some of those ingredients. So taking away that bacon and just doubling that egg portion, or if you like beans, you can always add in some rinsed black beans to the wrap. Okay, so now once the egg is cooked, the recipe does say you can put the tortilla on top and then flip it onto the pan, but I am not that talented, so I'm just going to shimmy the egg off of here onto the tortilla. Now it doesn't have to look perfect or pretty. And then we're going to take our toppings. So the bacon I went ahead and did beforehand. I'll put that on there on the edge. And then some cheddar cheese you can sprinkle on. So our last ingredient here is just our spinach leaves. If you get a small handful or however much spinach you like to put on top of there, just remember you have to roll this, so it might get a little more challenging to kind of roll. And spinach is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin K, and it also has iron in it too. And then we're just going to tuck those leaves under and roll it nicely. And voila, there you have your spinach, bacon, and egg breakfast wrap. Today for the tortilla, I did use the Carb Balance Mission tortillas. Now this one is a whole wheat. You can also get the white flour too. But on the back here, it is an excellent source of dietary fiber. It has 15 grams in just one tortilla. So it's really good for heart healthy, diabetes, weight management, and just overall gut health.